about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. What's good? What the fuck is this? What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. Over here at Absolute Recomp, waiting for Hector to arrive. I'm off that pump and grind pre-workout. If you want to support Pump Chaser subs, head on down to tigerfitness.com and get 30 of these minimum. I just took a scoop of this. Here it is right now. What's good, Hector? It's game time, baby. Man. All right, don't talk shit. We're curling in a squat rack. They have a million squat racks here, okay? All right, homies and homettes. Full routine written at the very bottom of the description for the ones that happen to give a fuck, so check it. We're starting off the workout with some barbell curls. Now this exercise is not only great for arm development, but it's great for connective tissue strength, especially like right around the elbow, fam. So one thing you want to do is control the negative. The eccentric loading you get from the free weight curls, you're gonna get the benefits if you control the negative. Even if you cheat on the way up, use a little leg drive, try to at least control that negative as much as possible, okay? Now this right here is the last set. What we did was pyramid a little bit. We did the bar for high reps, then we did one plate, 110, then we did 2 10s, and now we're doing 3 10s each side, and we're going to failure on the last set. As you see, doing a couple of cheat reps to get the failure. You see, lean back a little bit. Nothing wrong with a little cheating, a little body English, but make sure the majority of your workout is quality reps, because you want to ensure you're really contracting the muscles as good as you possibly can, so they're gonna get a great reaction, so you can look the way you want to look in the mirror, okay? So this is a superset right here. Did some rope cable curls, pause on every rep, and now we're doing press downs. Nice little superset right here. As you see, Hector's in here banging it out, set for set, rep for rep, okay? Guns hugging the sleeves, all right? Like I said, a little superset, rope hammer curls with some tricep press downs. I mix it up. Sometimes I'll go straight bar with the press downs, easy curl bar, V bar, you know, mix it up. Now this right here, y'all already know, if you've been following me for a while, one of my favorite bicep movements for ultimate crispiness, okay? Seated cable curl. So you go to a seated row station and do some curls, but fair warning, not every seated curl station is the same. Some of them, the seats are a little too high. You know, you gotta find one that's just right. When you find one that's just right though, oh, you good. Every rep is like money in the bank, especially if you squeeze at the top of every rep and do not cheat yourself. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. This superset right here, tricep extensions leaning forward, as you see. Pause, and it's gonna have your triceps nice and crispy, but you gotta milk those reps. You know, with those lighter sets, I really like to milk them. And by the time I get to the heavier sets, I'm so pumped that even though the form may not be perfect, I'm still getting something out of it. That's the benefit of getting a great pump, okay? So, as y'all saw at the beginning of the workout, we did barbell curls. Now my body speaks to me. My triceps got a little jealous. You know, my biceps got a barbell workout. Now my triceps, they want a barbell workout. So here we are. We're giving the triceps a nice little barbell press. We're doing close grip bench. We did 1 plate on each side for a couple of sets. And we said, you know what, let's go ahead and add a little more weight and do a set with a 25. So we did 185, okay? So let's talk hand placement, okay? Now when it comes to close grip bench for triceps, shoulder width grip is plenty. You don't have to come super close, putting a whole bunch of stress on your wrist. Shoulder width grip is plenty. As you see, none of our fingers are touching those neural marks, okay? Now what has worked for me and a lot of my clients to help put on size for those triceps, close grip bench and parallel dips. If you would like to be one of my online clients, be sure to head on down to beastmode316.com. And I'm also gonna be doing a contest for my clients to be training with me in person and being in a video. So if you're interested, be sure to tap in with me real soon, okay? So this right here is a superset, lying tricep extensions with dumbbells, supersetting with hammer curls. Remember, the triceps attach at the humerus bone and the back of the shoulder blades. So since the shoulder blades tilt, the triceps are gonna be worked with it. Notice right here, look at my serratus, my shoulder blades and elbow tilting with the triceps. Hit those triceps from multiple angles if you want the best development possible. So lying tricep extensions with dumbbells, supersetting with hammer curls, really milking those reps. And this right here is the last superset for bis and tris. Gonna finish off the workout with a little bit of forearms, which is what you're gonna see in just a moment, fam. Like I told you guys many times, I was slacking on my forearms. I've been keeping them in rotation, and I'm happy with what I'm seeing. You know, my arms are looking a little more vascular, a little more plump, and a little more full. And that's just simply contracting them. I'm not even really going heavy, just keeping some forearm work in rotation. That way, even when I'm in a t-shirt, my forearms will let you know that I am in fact training them. They ain't gotta be the biggest in the gym, just gotta let you know I'm training them. Same with the calves. The Savage New Brave. You know my brother paved the way. Let's get it, baby. Knocking out these arms, putting on the finishing touches. Again, fam, I can't speak for nobody else. High volume has been very good to me. And you don't have to train extremely heavy to benefit from the high volume. Bam. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.